warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Come and back. Stay home for many days. After that, journey into that during this time. Stop thinking about what they have discovered. Then 2 weeks after this time, after. Tom visit back home.
Becky, I need to talk to you about something important.
Oh, what's the matter? You look worried.
Tom, I've been thinking about Hindu and the person didn't in the car. He knows he has to speak with Eddie's father about what they see.
Becky, I need to talk to your father. There's something I have to tell him.
He's in the other room. Let me get him.
When to hit her pressure. A moment later, enter the room.
What are your mind, Tom? You like you have something important to say.
Mr. Dejet, I have been thinking a lot about what happened in there. Inzenju was sleeping there when we left, but I'm afraid there's something we still need to do. People can't go into the cave anymore because there's a big new door now. But Inzenju is still there.
What do you mean? What do you want to do about it?
I'm an officer listener for Tom's word. And think there was more to the story.
Inzenju is dead, Mr. Dejet. We found him in the cave when we went back to the check. But there's something we missed. There's treasure hidden there, and I know where it is. I need to go back and find it.
Not take with the men who are handling the F now, but the careful Tom, this is dangerous business.
Tom nodded. Thank you, Mr. Teacher. The next day, we went with a rope of men to the camp and they opened the new big door.
The air inside the cave was thick and cold. The men moved closely as they entered, and the Tom felt a sense of dread in his chest.
I know this place. Inzenju used to live here. It's where I saw him last.
When the men and Blake Peter into the hut, they found the body of Inzenju. He did their out just as Tom had fared.
He's gone, but the treasure, it must still be there.
When Tocqueville is not pointing us out about treasure, he know he thought was fine. He needed to talk to him out.
Later the week, Tom went to Mr. Gunn. Asked to meet him. Tom called went to serve his girlfriend.
Huck, listen. I know where Inzenju's treasure is. It's not in his house, like he thought. It's in the cave. I'm sure of it. We have got to go back there and get it.
Tom, are you sure? How do you know it's there?
I remember there's a small door at the back of the cave. I went through it with Becky. We came out that way. That's where we will find it. Huh? I just know it.
But what if we can find it? What if we get lost again on version?
I'm not scared, Harp. We have phase 4. Phase 4. We can do this together. Let's go today.
Alright, let's go.
That afternoon, the two boys rolled the small boat to the back of the cave, where Tom believed the treasure was hidden. The water was still, and the cave seemed even darker than before.
This is the right place, Harp. I can feel it.
I don't know how it is for me.
The boys saw that there were across the path. There was and going over the walls. Tom lit the race, confident in his memory.
Keep going, Harp. We're almost there.
As the well keeper, Tom suddenly stopped and pointed ahead.
Look, there it is, a cross. Didn't you say under the cross? That's where we will find the treasure.
The warrior to the cross. They had rested. They had no idea what to expect. But they now had to survive.
What if someone answer? What if
We can turn back now. We have come this far.
The boys began searching the ground under the cross, moving rocks and looking to the deep, hoping to find the treasure.
Tom, as very second as he searched, but he took feeling